Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to make standard curve and how can you find out protein concentration in your samples. So this file has been generated by microplate reader. So in this file you can see that the machine has given you different details. For example, the path where the file was saved, test ID, test name, and the name was my file, which is BSA MS, and the date on which this file has been created, the time, absorbance, which is absorbance values are displayed as OD, which is optical density. Okay, so here now I will make a standard curve, and for standard curve I need to use the data of BSA. So here I have put 3 repeats for each concentration, whether it was 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 microgram per microliter. So for that purpose I already know the concentration of BSA that I have put. So this is the OD for each repeat. So I will take average of each OD repeat. So average, and then I will select all 3 repeats, enter. I will drag along so Excel can calculate the average OD for each concentration. Okay, so this is my OD. So now I will use this information to make a standard curve of BSA. So I will select everything. I will select the concentration as well as the average of OD. I will go to insert. I will select the chart, which is a scattered chart, the first one, and then I will rename this chart as my standard curve. Standard curve. Now I need a value and find out the R square value as well on this chart. So on the x-axis I have the concentration of BSA, and on y-axis I have the average of OD. So now I will go here, I will go on the plus sign, and then I will add a trend line. On the trend line I will go more options. In more options I will set intercept. I will display the equation on chart, which is important to calculate protein concentration, and I will also display the R squared value, because the R square value is very important. Because of this I will find out how much my two variables are correlated with each other. My two variables are concentration of BSA as well as OD. So usually this value is the percentage which shows you how much the two variables are correlated. So usually if your value is more than 95%, it is really good, but I'm lucky because I got about 98% here, but it is I think almost 99%. So okay, so I'm happy for that. So now I will use the Y value to calculate concentration of proteins in my sample. So again, I will take average of OD for my sample. For example, this is 2 repeats for my sample, repeat 1 and repeat 2. So I will take average of these, which will be average, and then I will select both repeats. Okay, so this is average of the OD. So based on this OD, I will find out concentration of my proteins in my sample. So what I will do, I will select the OD and I will divide the OD by Y value, which is 0.0323, and then enter. Okay, so in 1 microliter the concentration of protein is 0.49536, which is not bad, which is good. So I got enough protein to run Western blot. So yeah, so that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Thank you.